We are here at the Speed Building in Louisville, Kentucky. Hello. You headed up?
I don't know where Suite 200.
I don't know where that is, I'm sorry.
You go ahead.
Okay.
Fine, thank you.
Ugh, slap on mine. It's an Otis. Obviously used to be black button, but it got modded, and since there's nothing really to see, there's the Otis globe. There's not much to see, I'm just gonna get a cab view. Disgusting innovation slap on. 88 phone. See if we can get on the other elevators. Hopefully they'll still be original. Otis. I think it's slow, by the way. Oh, okay. Oh, this is one. Oh.
That's number 2, right?
Takes forever to level. This thing's old. Thanks. And I'm just gonna end on one. No. That's too bad. The one time I thought I found something original and vintage I could access, it's modded, but that's it.